In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom code to your Godaddy website builder. Whether you're looking to add a special feature or customize your website in a unique way, knowing how to integrate your custom HTML can provide a lot of versatility to how your site looks and functions. Let's dive into it and guide you step by step to achieve just that. To start, you'll need to head over to the Godaddy website. Navigate to their domain names, websites, hosting, and online marketing tools section. This is where you'll find all of the necessary tools and options tied to your Godaddy account. Basically, this is your website management hub. Once you're there, you'll want to move on to the products section. You can find this by clicking on the products tab in your account panel. This section shows you your active Godaddy products, including your domains and any associated websites. Locate your website from the list and give it a click. This will open up the specific page for managing that site. Here you will have several options, but the one we're interested in is editing the website. Click on the Edit Website button. This action will bring you to the Website Builder dashboard where you can make changes to your site. In this interface, you'll find a collection of tools and options to modify your website, but stay focused as it can be a bit overwhelming at first glance. Next, you'll need to click on the Website tab found in this area. This allows you to view and make changes specifically to the website's structure and content. At this point, you want to add a new section to your existing page, and to do this you'll look for the Add Section button. Clicking this will open up a variety of section types you can add. Here you'll type HTML into the search bar. This is the section type that allows for inserting custom code. After you search, you'll want to click on the HTML option once it appears. This will prepare your builder interface for code entry. Press the Add button, which initiates the process of integrating an HTML section directly into your site design. Now with this section added, you can click on the Custom Code option. This lets you directly input your HTML, CSS or JavaScript code, effectively customizing your site the way you envisioned it. And there you have it, you've successfully added custom code to your Godaddy website using their builder interface. Remember, the power of custom code lies in its flexibility and creativity, but always ensure your code is clean and correct to maintain site performance and aesthetics. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide empowers you to bring your site vision to life with Godaddy.